Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn in how to easily add baggage allowance to your Cebu Pacific flight. So if you book a ticket without baggage, don't worry, you can still add it in just a few steps. So first is you just have to go to the Cebu Pacific website or open their mobile application. Then you just have to log into your account. Or you can easily tap on the manage booking option at the top. That's right, and then tap on the manage booking. Okay, this is where you can update your flight details after booking. So here, so you just have to enter your booking reference number and the last name you use when booking your flight. So once you log in, you'll see all the flight details. But currently, since we don't have any flight yet, so I cannot really take you there. But there, here you can type out your friend's booking number and your last name or your email. And then after selecting your preferred baggage allowance, you just have to click on. So before you can actually select your preferred baggage allowance, you just have to tap on the add-on so you'd be able to see that after you type this details or the baggage. So just click on it and you'll be able to choose how many kilos of baggage you want to add. So after selecting your preferred baggage allowance, just have to click on continue and then confirm. Then make sure to review the details before proceeding to the payment. Then pay using your preferred payment method, and this can be via credit card, e wallet, or online banking. So once the payment is successful, you'll receive a confirmation. So that's it for this video. If you think this would help you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.